You also, if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out. So, hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make creative text in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, if you don't know, press T to pop up a text. Second, choose the font you want. So first of all, to make a cool text effect, you should click on effects, because this can change the way your thumbnails look. For example, on the darker side, you can see that it added a shadow for your text, which is more attractive for any project you're doing compared to this one, for example. And you can also create a shadow. We can mess around with these ones. Oh, this is a cool effect to use. No, you can use this one and copy and paste it, put it above the original one, and boom, look what you have. You have a cool effect now, and you can choose to put this one forward. It will become better. You can of course change the color for both of these texts. Neon, you can choose whatever you want. This is the TikTok effect. All these effects looks good, whatever you're trying to do. So guys, if you want to create some cool text effects, you should mess around and choose the one you'd like the most. So check the channel to see if you're interested in other videos, and if you want, hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and see you next time. You also, if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out.